all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let me show you up in detail about the manufacturing of car in the plant. So, Chennai plays a major role in the manufacturing of cars. To know why, watch the video till the end. Now let me talk about the life of a car inside the plant. Steel is perhaps the most widely used component in auto manufacturing. It accounts for roughly 80% of the weight of an average car. Plastics, aluminium, rubber are the other components used in manufacturing. The bottom line, from metals to fiber to the sand and quartz used to make glass. There are 5 steps involved in manufacturing of car in plant. They are press shop, weld shop, paint shop, engine shop and transaxle, trim and final fitment. First, the press shop. This is where the production process starts, with most of the metal parts getting pressed out of steel sheets. The door panels, roofs, bonnet, boot lid, etc. are typically pressed to form the basic structure of the automobile. The steel sheets are pressed into shapes in stages. Next, the weld shop. The weld shop is the place where automobile is born, the birth of the design of the cars. The underbody takes shape from the pressed parts. In stages, the side panels, the roofs are welded to the underbody and the automobile begins to take its shape. The welding process is done by spot welding or tungsten inert gas (TIG). Welding process is done by robotic arms. Next is the paint shop. The output of the weld shop is called as body in white or BIW. The painting process is one of the most complex and cleanest of process. They are dust free. The sub-process in paint shop includes pre-treatment, sealant, paint booths, oven, wax booths and polishing. Pre-treatment, where the body in white dip into a electrolyte solution which helps in better paint deposits in metal. Next is the sealant. The body in white enters the sealant area where sealant is applied. Paint booths. The body in white enters the paint booths for the final painting process, where the robots do the job, or you need highly skilled human workforce. Next process is the oven. The painted body passes through the oven where baking process of paint take place. Next to oven comes the wax booth, where fine layer of wax takes place. This is sometimes skipped for some local market vehicles or lower variant. The final process in the paint shop is the polishing, one of the most time consuming process. Each cars are polished to give right shine and gleam. Longer the polishing process, better is the shine. Next to paint shop is the engine shop and transaxle. This place is meant as the heart of the vehicle. It is brought from the paint shop to the engine shop. The identity given to the engine is when engine blocks get machined and EIN, engine identification number, is punched into the engine blocks, and the lowering the assembly into the engine blocks happens. Finally, engine head comes, and then engine is in serious test of leak test and pressure test. The engine are then mated to the transaxle. The transaxle consists of gearbox assembly in which both are ready to join together. The transaxle closely follow the sequence of engine production. The final part in the production process is the trim and final fitment. This is the last and final stop for automobile production process. This part of the production process is where the fitment is done by human hands. The windshields, trims, steering columns, electronics and the engine happens here. Before getting out of its production unit, the vehicle undergoes quality test and important component information of the vehicle is captured and stored into the production database. After the quality test, the drive test happens and finally the vehicle reaches the yard from where they dispatch to the dealership and waiting customers. Let me answer up to the question, what is the major role played by Chennai in automobile industry? Chennai is the home to around 35 to 40% of India's total automobile industry. Most interesting fact like to share you is the first car to be manufactured in India. It was Hindustan Ambassador. It was built in Calcutta through a technical collaboration with Morris Motors to manufacture Morris Oxford models that later became HM Ambassadors. And that's all for today. Hope you all found it useful and came to know how a car is manufactured in a plant. See you with more interesting theories and wheels in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.